G'day everybody, welcome to my Aussie gardening kitchen. If it's your first time here, my name's Darren, but please call me Daz. And yep, I'm going to try and dig up some potatoes and see if I actually have any or not. So it's a total mystery. That's what I love about potatoes. So in this video today, we're going to go and dig up some potatoes, which are volunteer potatoes. So there might be one, there might be 10, I just don't know. So this video is either going to be a fail or a success, or I don't know, something in between. Let's go check it out and see what happens. Thanks. Now I actually prefer to grow my potatoes in containers because it's so much easier to have a container that you can tip over and then sort through and pick out the potatoes. Whereas with the bed in the ground like this, you've got to dig through and hope that you don't spike them with this. And with our potatoes, we like to store them away. And obviously if I go spiking them with this, you can't store them. You need to eat them straight away, which is fine because we will eat some straight away. But I'd just rather eat them at my own leisure and not sort of feel forced to eat a potato that's got a great big hole through the middle of it. I do prefer my container grown potatoes, but I have to admit, it's pretty good fun getting down here in the dirt and digging through and finding potatoes. Not many, but hey, it's an adventure looking for them and I'm having fun. When I started this bed a year ago, it was just really bad orange sand. It was just rubbish, and I had no plans as to have this as a garden bed, but this has had a little bit of organic matter in it, not much, but it's starting to feel okay, and I think I might actually grow more potatoes in here and start a new garden bed for the next time around. I make my own compost here. I think I'm going to chuck a bunch of that in and mix it around and actually use this bed again. This is promising, I like this. So there you go, not the greatest harvest in the world, but that's fine. Some of these big ones, they've got eyes on them, like that. I'll probably plant these back into the ground, cut them up into different sections so there's an eye on each section, get them into the ground, and hopefully they'll multiply into multiple potatoes. And I'll actually intend on growing a whole bunch of potatoes next time with these free volunteer potatoes that I didn't plan on growing. I'm actually thinking of eating some of them too, maybe some of those smaller ones. So yeah, awesome stuff. I had really good fun doing that. Now YouTube's going to recommend a video on the screen right now. That's what they think is best for you. So if you wouldn't mind watching that next, I'd really appreciate it because that helps with the algorithm and all that sort of stuff. Giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel would be fantastic. And let me know down below in the comments, do you enjoy potato harvesting videos as much as I do? They're one of my favorite videos to watch, and although I didn't have a massive harvest to share with you today, I enjoyed making it and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.